Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to this channel. I'm Afreen. So guys, in today's video what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a review on VEET ready to use wax strip kit. So I'm gonna tell you my honest review about this product. Also I will give you a demo, how can you use it, how easy to use it. Initially I want to say I am really impressed by this thing because I really feel tired when I think about, oh no, I have to go salon for my waxing and all, and I don't want to go there because there is a long queue and I have to think about it one day before that I have to go tomorrow. I need 3-4 hours for that, and I have to go there, I have to wait there, and lots of things. So I just need one thing which I can do at home. I can remove my hair, but I'm not satisfied with some creams which comes in the market. Also I don't like to do razor on my hands. I just want to be, my hands are really soft, because if we are doing razor again and again, then the hairs which comes is really hard and it comes really quickly. That doesn't mean that I'm not using razor. I'm using razor for my underarms, also sometimes for my legs. But after getting this, I really happy. I'm so happy that I have this and that VEET made something like this, because I don't like VEET's hair removal cream. I like this a lot, and this is really easy. When you're doing the first time, guys, it takes time because you don't know how to do that. You are doing first time, so it takes time, little time. But when you're doing this gradually, it will not take time anymore. My growth is so fast. Even then I got hair just after 1 month. So if you have a slow growth, then you will be get your hair after 2 months. So yes, first I just want to tell you what they in the box. So they said that it helps to remove even shorten hair, which is really good thing. Exfoliate your skin, it leaves skin moisturized. So also what they have in the box, it has 40 wax strips, 4 wipes packets, and I just want to share some more things, because I know if you are somebody who are trying to get this thing from online, so you don't have that packet, so you can read all the things. So I am here, don't worry, I will read for you. So there behind the packet they have some tips for best result, which I want to share with you. What they have right on this box is, for great result, apply some baby powder to make sure skin is perfectly dry before waxing. So always remember that. And next is, always pull back the wax strip against the direction of hair growth, keeping the strip close to skin as you pull. The faster you pull, the more hair you will remove. And wax in consistent pattern to make sure you don't miss any hair, but don't wax over the same area more than once. And you can reuse each strip until it loses its thickness. It is really good, huh? You don't need to be use only one time one strip, otherwise you do 40 times and all the strips lost, so you lost all the box. No, you can use one strip for more time. What they said, it lose until it loses its thickness. Wow, amazing. Actually I know that because I already did this now, so I know that. Just I want to tell you guys. Okay, the behind the package they have just mentioned how to use this. I think everything which is important in this box I told you. Now the time where I have to tell you, have to show you how can you do this. So let's open the box. I have to show you like this. Okay, don't mind guys, I already used it. Okay, I have one more box in my bathroom. So this is the strip. They have 40 strips in the box, and don't think this is the only one strip. This is 2 strip. I will show you. I just want to show you the wax, the wipe package. So this is the wipe package. After doing this waxing and all, you have to wipe with this package, but this is only 4, so it is not a big deal, you can use anything. Next, I'm going to close this. Now I want to show you. So what you need to do is just simply you need to do like this. But guys, when you're doing this now, really very careful about it, because this do like this slowly. So I was telling you that it is not 1, it's 2, it is 2 strips, okay? And when it removes, then please careful, because please careful wherever you are placing this, please careful, otherwise it sticks really easily and then it spoils if you will not place it properly. So please, when you removing from each other, please be careful. Take one strip in one hand or take another strip, place it really careful, otherwise you will miss it, you will lose it, because it happens with me. It is my experience, that's why I want to say you, it is important to say. Now time is, I have to tell you how to do that. So just like you all know, we have to pull back in opposite direction of hair growth. So just, oh, I forget to use, guys, I forget to take the baby powder. So I just want to say you use baby powder before using this. So baby powder or any powder, you can use any powder, like this, press, and yeah, tan. Yes, actually I already did it, but still I want to show you. So I have 3-4 hairs which comes out, which is really shortened hair, which they said in the box, which is true, they actually remove shortened hairs. So yeah, I'm really satisfied with this product. Even in fact earlier I really wanted product like this. So I'm really thankful for VEET that they have this kind of product. So I don't need to go out for salon, or I don't need to wait for 3-4 hours. I don't need to spend or waste my 3-4 hours. I have this at my home, and this is not too much costly. You can find out in online store. Amazon also has it, so you can find out there the price. This is not costly at all. You can use it so many times, and also it not take time. You can see how easy it is. And just right now I show you. If you are somebody who is looking forward to buy this product and you are watching this video for that you should have to take or not, so please go and take it, because it is easy to use. It really works 100%. It gives you 100% result, and it is, I think, beneficial all the way. So yeah, I hope you got all the answer of your questions. So guys, I hope you like this video. This video is helpful for you, and if it does, then please give it a big thumbs up, and also leave me a comment if you have any query. Do subscribe this channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.